Thanks for the update. Last week we had our first Mustang Musings assembly. Let's get a recap.
Here's to the crazy ones. The misfits. The rebels. The troublemakers. The round pegs in the square holes. The ones who see things differently. They're not fond of rules, and they have no respect for the status quo. You can quote them, disagree with them, glorify or vilify them, but the only thing you can't do is ignore them. Because they change things. They push the human race forward. And while some may see them as the crazy ones, we see genius. Because the people who are crazy enough to think they can change the world are the ones who do.
Hello, Mustangs. This week's Mustang Media, I just want to thank you for a great start to our school year. Thank you for being courteous and kind to one another. Also appreciate you wearing your name tags, your badges, so that we know where you are and able to scan into class. And so this week we're having our assemblies as we kind of talk about the crazy and what that stands for and what we're all about here at Westlake. And so I've really appreciated and enjoyed getting to know you as students. And please continue to bring your A game every day, work hard, and we'll have a great week.